guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are just gonna go around the shops again post lockdown and see what's happening in the shops. We are going to go to Next, River Island and Primark and just find out what exactly is going on in London and how the London shops are dealing with the post lockdown. Are things getting back to normal, or let's find out. So guys, this is the supermarket. Things are kind of getting back to normal slowly. So this area is kind of like what we call the downtown of... So during the lockdown, I've been able to get my fresh food from this place. The hair shops have just recently opened up and it's nice to finally be able to get some hair products. Yay! Oh my goodness. The shoe shops are open as well. They have shorter opening times, but nevertheless, it's nice to walk into a shop and just see life happening again. So guys, this is what's going on in Primark. Basically, you have to queue up. The queue is long all the way there, but you can't see them, but you have to queue up and then they let people in sort of like one at a time. When one comes out and then others can go in. Where the line is for getting into Primark, is there and all the way there to get into Primark. I don't know whether we'll be able to do it today because it's absolutely crazy. My goodness. I think we might have to come back another day, but really early in the morning or something. I don't know. Anyway, let's go to other shops. We might have some luck. And then maybe when we come back, the line will be less. Thank you so much. Let's go into House of Fraser and see what's happening there. So Debenhams is still closed. Sports Direct is open, but again, there's a long queue to get in. And we have Superdrugs over there. That's the Perfume Shop. Yeah, H&M is open. Let's go upstairs in the kids section. Come on. So we're just going upstairs in H&M. So we've decided to make a stop in H&M so I could get my kids some clothes, because basically during the lockdown when all the shops were closed, we were not able to buy them any clothes, and now that lockdown is almost ending, literally none of their clothes fit them. So funny. So we decided to make a stop here, and now we're walking past Next, which is another one of my favorite shops. Mao, this way. Oh, not entry. You have to go through the other side. It says no entry. So all the shops have this thing here, the 2 meter a distance sign so that people can keep a 2-meter distance. Trying to get into Next and see what's happening. Okay, so we are in Next now. Did you see a way for us to go downstairs? Not up, but downstairs. We're in Next now, guys. I want those plants. Oh my god. I want those green plants. Yes? What, to go downstairs? I want these plants. Oh my god. Beautiful. The kids section of Next. Micah, what do you want? What clothes do you want? Let's see what is for your age. It's this way, darling. Micah, see the clothes? This is your age. Your age group. Look at those shorts, they're nice, aren't they, Papa? What we're gonna buy? Oh, we need some summer shoes for you. Let me see that. Minecraft. Get some shorts and stuff. I don't have any girl kids, I have boy kids, so that's why I'm always in the boys section. But let me just take you around so you can see the girls section, just for the sake of it. So we're in Next. That's cute. Which one do you like out of the two? So this is a deco section. Nice. I spend most of my time in this section because I really love interior designing, and to me, when the inside of your house looks beautiful, there's a way that your house looks calm. And so I really love looking at these deco pieces because they are so unique. Let's take a look at these ones here. Oh, and they got these nicely laid out dining tables on display. I feel like I want to just sit down and just chill. Just call it a chill and shop. You just sit down on their display dining tables and just chill for the rest of the day. Like, never mind about going home, but yeah, just chill out. Honestly, these deco pieces are so beautiful. Plant. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Lots of love from London.